Hello everyone, my name is Moaz and I'm going to teach you how to learn Canva. Canva is basically a graphic designing software that we're going to use to create tremendous designs. So you don't have to use most advanced softwares like Photoshop and other Corel Draws. So first of all, you have to go to canva.com. On canva.com you can see ton of different templates, or you can see say sizes. These sizes you can select, like I'm going to select here Instagram post. So I'm going to click on it. On this page we have Canva here. This is your canvas. On the top border right there you can see the options of file, in which you can edit a bit of preferences. Click on show rulers, you can see the rulers right here. Show guides, then you can see the guides there. Show margins, you can see the page margins. Show print bleed, then you can see the print bleed obviously. So I'm going to disable all for now because we don't need these options right now. Alright, so I'm going to create a burger design for a type of restaurant, just to teach you guys how to do that. So first of all, these are the options on the left side, left panel. These are all the options that will contain all the content that we're going to use to create the design. So I'll go to the photos and look for burger. Alright, here you have ton of free images as well as premium images. Free image, I'm going to use free images because they'll do the job. So double click the image to enter the edit mode. In the edit mode you can move left or right to manage your design. Alright, so I think that's perfect. Or a little bit more to the left, that's right. Alright, no, we can't do that now. Alright, so now we are going to add some text on it. Go to text. Here you can see the simple heading, subheading and the paragraph. Alright, you can look to tons of different text options right there. Neon options are there too, but I think we would use the neon. Anything else? I'll click on it. Best burger. That's what. Best burger. I'll change the color of it to orange or yellow. Orange is great. Light orange, no. Dark orange is fine. Alright, so now I'll go there and add a bit of subheading. I'll add entertain your taste buds. That is fine, I think so. I'm gonna short it all right there, and a bit bold, but not so bold. And I'll click here and I'll see all the fonts. So from the fonts options I'll say that we should go with this option look great. Alright, so we're going to go with this one, and I'll click the text, and here I can see this plus option. I can duplicate the text from here. I'll do this, and here I can add at the rate best burgers in town. Alright, so that's a pretty simple design, not so much in depth. Alright, now I'll move to the next thing. I'll show you how to upload a design. You can go to the upload section on the left panel and click upload. To upload you obviously have to sign in, but you'll select the file and then upload. So here we can find all the photos as I told you, and here elements. Elements are like emojis, vectors or shapes or animated stickers. Here look, I can add a tortoise. Well, it doesn't have anything to do with the burger, but still this look like a burger too, but whatever. Alright, so animations look pretty great. Let me see if I can find any sticker on burger. This one looks great. I'll give it a white color. That's fine. Well, I can place it right there. Select all of it, a bit short, and move it right there. That looks fine. Alright, so the next element we can have is music. Well, you can add a bit of music and it will create your image to a video. But I don't think so we need to do that. You can upload your custom music from here too. Then we'll go to videos. They already have Canva already have a lot of content of videos here, but we don't need them. As you can see, we can add burger video tier too. But they're all pro. This one is fine. Let me see. Yeah, that's a nice video. Alright. So here we can use background. Like I'm gonna clean it. And right there we can see different types of backgrounds. You need to click on them. And then you can see it will automatically paste the background there. Alright. So there are two options to drag our image there. First of all, if you click there, it will pop up like it is done here. Alright, so we don't need that like that. We will click, drag, and move to this border of the page, and I'll move my arrow to this page, and the image will appear right there. That's a better option to use if you want to use as a background. Double click on it, adjust it. Alright, that's a pretty nice design. So I'll move to elements and I'll drag a box, and in the box let's say like there, double click on the image, move it that way, and here we're going to short up a box a little bit, and that's fine. To make the box transparent, you have to click this option right there, and then you can drop the transparency. Alright, so now you can click on the heading option and add a bit of text on it. Alright, so here I'm going to ungroup and then delete, and then here I'll say best burgers in town. Here I can adjust the sequence or alignment of it. Look right there. When I click, I'll shorten it a bit, move it to the middle, click on the color option and make it white. I can shorten this too, or I can move this box here like this and like this. That looks fine. You can go on the top too. On the bottom is more good. Alright, so I think so we're done. Thank you so much guys. Like, comment, and share this video. You can click here to download the image. Click here and it will prepare your design, and then you can download the image. Here I found it. Look, it's fine.